Hip-hop is such a weenie scene. Make me wanna summon the candy man from Cabrini Green. Media put on everyone that flows wrong in the world. Go and put some clothes on, little girl. I exposed them to the art of rap. Before I even started, they done gone and had a heart attack. Far as knowing Jack, they wouldn't know a Jack if it was for a flat. Promptly I responded for a fact. Here's a style that nobody else expected from a guy who never got the shot and didn't get infected. These cats was down to take a shot like a refreshment. They probably take a pill like it's a breath mint. Despite it's just a drill, they feeling ill just off the power of suggestion and need to take some time out for reflection, no question. Anyone who tell you something's for your own protection, that's a taxidermist trying to add to their collection. I'm just trying to school you like a senior do a freshman to the crooked, trying to cook you to perfection. A lot of rhymers that never rhyme about the things that I'll be rhyming about. I got so good at shining, decide to go the shaman route. I'm the one you previously counted out, busy taking action while you clown around asking what you crying about. You couldn't surf this channel from a couch to surface above and beyond the shadow of a doubt. Your patterns from the past are paramount, so why your plans just aren't panning out.